Helping a baby learn to talk is a fun and exciting journey that starts from the moment they are born, and you can begin teaching them even before they say their first words. Here are some ways that help teach a baby to talk. Babies learn language by listening, watching, and copying, so the best thing you can do is talk to your baby all the time. From day one, speak clearly, slowly, and warmly to them as you go about your day. Whether you are changing a diaper, feeding, or going for a walk, describe what you are doing. This helps babies hear words over and connect them to things around them. Use a happy, sing-song voice called parenthees, which grabs their attention and makes it easier to understand the sounds. Respond to your baby's coos, giggles, and babbles by copying the sounds and adding more words, like if your baby says bar, you can say, yes, ball. That is your red ball. This teaches them the back and forth rhythm of conversation. Read to your baby every day, even if they do not understand the words yet. Choose picture books with bright colors and point to the pictures as you name them, like that is a dog. The dog says woof. Reading builds vocabulary, attention, and listening skills. Use songs and nursery rhymes with simple words and lots of repetition. Babies love music and it helps them remember sounds. Label your baby's feelings too, like you are smiling. Are you happy? Or I see you are crying, are you tired? This teaches emotional words. Give your baby time to respond. Pause after you say something and wait, even if they just smile or make a sound. This shows them that their voice matters. When your baby starts saying words, repeat and expand on what they say. If they say dog, you can say, yes, that is a big, brown dog. Celebrate their efforts by smiling, clapping, or saying good talking. To encourage more speech, you can use a talking toy as one of the first tools to teach a baby to talk. These interactive toys often introduce simple words, songs, and sounds that expose your baby to language in a fun, engaging way. As your baby hears and mimics the words, they begin to build the foundation for speech and communication. Babies learn at different speeds, so do not worry if they do not talk right away. Some say their first words at 12 months, while others take a little longer. Keep modeling good speech and keep it fun. If you are ever worried about your baby's speech development, talk to your pediatrician or a speech-language pathologist. They can give guidance and support. With these tips, your baby will enjoy learning to talk. Talking, singing, reading, and playing every day helps them grow, learn, and feel loved.